Hello everyone. Today we will see some application that is free available in the Google's Play Store, and this is an Android-based application. The name is SINE. You can see over here. So you can use the free version, and there is a lot of information and a lot of things that are very much useful. So that's why I'm sharing the details with you, and you can see that how you can use this effectively. So this is the app. When you enter, you can be a paid member as well as you can use as a guest by adding your mobile number that's already has given, so it's directly logging into my account. So you can see in the overview section, markets overview, you can see the Nifty Auto, Nifty Private Bank, mid-level, 100, 200, all things are given over here. And the representation and this feel is very good, whether you can see the things that where you can see the things that how much is the advances and how much is the declines and what much the percentages already changed. So during market hour, it's a very handy app that you can get these details very easily. You can see the indices in the list format also. So for the data and the changes, you can see over here, you can see the top movers in the tiles format as well as in the list format. You can change the equity as well as the derivatives. Same thing, you can see the losers also here. Similarly, you can see the top volume gainer as well as the in the tiles format as well as in the list format. This is also same for the equity and derivative currencies. You can do that one. This and next one is the corporate action, the whether any corporate news is there, so that will update over here. The next one is very important, that is the bulk and block deal. So any bulk and block deal has already happened, so you can check over here, so accordingly you can strategize. Next one is the notification. So now we will see the pattern, that how you can find any stock details. Suppose if you put any search symbol over here, so you can find like Jet Airways I am putting over here. So now you will see that the details of that Jet Airways. So I'm just telling you that how much details, in-depth details you can see over here. This is the depth. You know that in the market hour you will get the details over here. The futures, the near future and the next future also, the details you will get, and the OI also. The RNS is the very informative things, and the data is much very pretty impressive. Whether the price is on the pivot or over the support or resistance, you can see over here. These are the high low in the past few weeks, months, and today's also. These are the option chain data, but I prefer in the option chain analysis data in the NSE website, that is more reliable to see and check. These are the put call ratios, and this is the for the next expiry, and this is the near expiry. This is the 5 days delivery report, that the delivery and the volume, the percentage basis you can see. Next we will see the how is the chart pattern. The chart is very pretty simple, and it's you can see the similar like the Zerodha platform. You can change the time frame over here. Now it's 1 day, and these are the view display, and these things are here. So suppose I'm putting it as 15 minutes, and my display is in candlestick, and I can put some studies also here. Like if I put the Bollinger Band, so it will definitely add the Bollinger Bands. I can put the moving averages also. So these things are very informative, and this is handy data. So if you don't have the system in front of you, you can add these things easily, same like the Zerodha, and you can remove these things also easily. So the chart is pretty simple and very good. So next I'm coming to the things that the another uh, important things is over here, that is the market analytics. So in the analytics, you can see there is a four strategies are there. These are the mostly option strategy. Those who are working in the options, they can understand that how it will use, but only this data will not sufficient to strategize anything for the option trading. So if anyone is just for the checking purpose, that what are the premiums and what are the premium percentages changing, that you can get easily over here in the money as well as out of the money. but for preparing any strategies like the bear covered put or anything, you need more details. Only these details is not okay, not sufficient. Next is coming the this 8 scanner is already predefined, like the rise and fall, so volume and up and price up, so that is the bullish and volume up and but the price down, these are the bearish format. So you can do the same thing for the nifty 50 and for the other indexes also. Next is the strong and weak. So the long, those are the strong, you can go for the long, that how much is the percentage price change in the last 2 days and what are the open interest changes, so that you can see over here. Accordingly you can check that what are the stocks we are looking for the long position and we are looking for the short positions. Now we will go for the high and low breaks, that what are the prices nearly breaking its day low or the previous day low, or suppose what are the stocks that actually breaking as 2 weeks low or 2 weeks high. So these are the data, it's very important to understand that, and that can be definitely useful for the short time traders as well as for the swing traders. Okay, so next one is the support and resistance, whatever the data is showing there. So if you select some all on nifty 50, you can see that how many stocks are inside this R3 zone, R2 zone. Accordingly you can check. So next is the volume soccer, that unusual and potential volume soccer you can find over here. Next is the circuit breaker, means what are the stock that today has already reached the upper circuit or today has breached the lower circuit, that you can easily find out over there. So there are a lot of information is given, and this it's very handy app, that's why I am giving you these details over here. These are the spreads, same for the long spread and the short spread and the covering, those all details are giving over here. Next one is the open and high low. So as you know that already we are using the automatic excel sheets for some our strategies in the morning hour. So this is kind of the same thing, that if you want to just get the open low or open high, you can definitely check over here and you can change the nifty 50 or anything over here. You will find the open low and open high directly from here. So this is also another important parameter that we are getting over here for the free. So these all things you are getting free, and the things, and you can see the interface and the overview is very handy, and the details over provided, and I can assure you these things, these all free details in a very good manner you are getting, all is in free. So I am personally using these things for the last couple of weeks, and I am very much happy with this performance. In the market time it's giving a very good result, and these details are like in the analytics is these details, the scanner is actually very useful to understand the things, and definitely people can make some strategy also with these things. So we are working on it. If I get any good strategy with this, I will definitely tell it to you. And open high open low is also very important, so if you find the stocks very easily in the market hour also. So I hope this video will be informative, and this video will be good for you. So if you like, just please subscribe and like this video.